Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to proceed our lesson. We are going to learn about problem solving involving fraction, decimal and percentage. So your content for this one is 2.4.1, solve problems involving fraction, decimal and percentages. And you can refer to your textbook page 97 to 101. Alright, this is a reminder for you. These examples are a guidance for you. Every problem has different solution. Okay, you cannot act all the problem has the same solution. No, use previous knowledge. For example, addition of fraction, decimal and so on to solve the problem. And most importantly, identify the keywords, understand the situation or problem, identify operation involved. So this is what this is the most important in problem solving. Okay, you have to identify the keywords, you have to understand the situation or the problem, and you have to identify the operation involved. Okay, so let's start. For the first example, solve the problem. Okay, so this is the situation given to us. Santesh, Swilan and Rokiah collected recycled materials. The table shows the mass of their collection for 3 weeks. What is the total mass of the collected materials? So what you have to understand the situation, okay, and then get the information given in the situation, right? So the situation is about three friends. Okay, they collected recycled material, and then they collected the recycled material for 3 weeks, and this is the mass of the collected material for 3 weeks. The first week they got 1/2 kilogram, second week 4 kilogram, third week 1/5 kilogram. So this is the information given. So what is the keyword in this problem? So the keyword here is this one, total mass. Say the keyword is total. What does it mean by total? It means you want to add up all the mass given here. That is the meaning of the total words there. So we understand the problem. Okay, we got the information already, and we identify the keyword. So let's solve this one. So this is the step to solve the problem. Okay, so this is the strategy. This is one of the example given in your textbook, how to solve the problem. Okay, you have to plan your strategy. If you can solve it straightforward, you may do it. But if you need the strategy, or you need to visualize the situation, then you can do the strategy like this. Right, so let's move. Okay, so we want to find the total mass of the material. So 1/2 kilogram plus 4 kilogram plus 1/5 kilogram. Okay, the total mass involve the addition. So the operation involved here is addition. So you solve it like you solved the previous addition of fraction. Then you will get the answer 9/7/10 kilogram. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is the total mass of the material for week 1, week 2 and week 3. Okay, So you can check your answer. You can check, for example, given in your textbook, uh, they give us the uh, one of the example here how to check the answer. Right? So we've done the first problem. We've settled the first problem. Right, next move to the next one. Okay, this is the situation. The total number of members of the science club is 140. 3 over 7 of the number are year 4 pupils. Another 1 over 2 of the members are year 5 pupils. Calculate the difference between the number of year 4 and year 5 pupils. Alright, so understand the problem. Okay, so what is the total number? The total number is 140. Okay, and then we have here another information. 3 over 7 of the members are year 4 pupils. So year 4 pupils, they are 3 over 7 of 140. It's not 3 over 7 people, no, it is 3 over 7 out of 140. Daripada 140 itu 3/7 adalah murid-murid tahun 4. Itu maksudnya. Okay. So another one, year 5 pupils, 1 over 2 of 140. Okay. Bukan bermaksud 1/2 orang. Bermaksud di sini bermaksud 1/2 daripada 140 itu adalah budak-budak ataupun murid-murid tahun 5. So the question want us to find the difference between the number of people of year 4 and year 5. Dia nak kita cari beza murid, bilangan murid tahun 4 dengan tahun 5. So do we know the number of the pupils? We already know the total number of the pupils, but we do not know what is the number, the exact number of year 4 pupil and the exact number of year 5 pupils. Okay, so we have to find the number, the number of pupil first. Alright. So year 4 pupils, 3 over 7 out of 140. So we'll have 60 pupils. Year 5 pupils, 1 over 2 times 140, we'll have 70 pupils. So the difference is 70 minus 60 equal to 10. So the difference is 10. Okay, the operation involved when we have the keyword different here is subtraction, right? So this is how you check the answer. You can check your answer by using this method. Right, next one. Okay, third situation. 3 balloons car were built from waste material. The table shows the distance covered by each car. What is the difference in distance covered by Pythagoras car and Einstein car? Alright, so this is the information given to us. Okay, Einstein distance covered 2.15 meter, Pythagoras 1.15 meter more than Newton 3.1 meter. Okay, do we know how what is the distance covered by Einstein? Yes, 2.15 meter. Do we know the distance covered by Newton? Yes, 3.1 meter. Do we know the distance covered by Pythagoras? Not exactly, because the statement here is 1.15 meter more than Newton. Okay, this is not the exact distance cover. This is the information that we have to analyze. We have to find the solution. Alright. Okay. So Newton 3.1 meter. Pythagoras is 1.15 meter more than Newton. Okay, Pythagoras tadi adalah 1.15 meter lebih daripada Newton. Itu kena faham. Newton 3.1 meter. Pythagoras 1.15 meter lebih daripada Newton. Jadi dia lebih panjang jarak dia berbanding dengan Newton. Alright. Manakala Einstein tu 2.15 meter. So Pythagoras, the distance is for Pythagoras is 3.1 meter plus 1.15 meter equal to 4.25 meter. Okay, so this is the exact distance covered by Pythagoras. Alright, 4.25 meter. Okay, so we want to find this one. We want to find the difference between Pythagoras and Einstein. Alright, what we do here is we add up the distance covered for Pythagoras. Okay, what we do here is for Pythagoras, we have already here 4.225, and then we subtract with the distance covered by Einstein. This one 2.15. So the difference is 2.10 or 2.1 meter. Alright. So you have to be very careful about this question. Okay, the fourth problem. Okay, the mathematics club received a fund collection of 280 ringgit. 70 ringgit was used to buy things for the mathematics garden. Calculate the percentage of money spent. So we want to find the percentage of money spent. So 70 ringgit was used out of 280 ringgit times by 100%. Okay, this is how we want to this is how we calculate the percentage. So 70 used to buy things out of 280, the total fund collection, times by 100%, and we will have the answer 25% of money spent. Okay, alright, it's time for you to test yourself. You can refer to your textbook, page 101. I want you to complete question 1, question 2A, B, and question 3A only. Okay, as usual, I will provide you with the answer after this, so you can pause or stop the video. After you have finished do the calculation, you may watch you may continue this video from this part to check your answer, right? Okay, alright, I assume you have already done your calculation. Okay, let's check the answer for the first one. Okay, complete the table which team won. Okay, there are two teams, Ibn Sina and Ibn Khaldun. Okay, both of the team completed challenge A and challenge B. So we want to find the total time, and we want to find who is the winner. So this is the calculation for Ibn Sina. 1.16 hours plus 2 1 not 1.1 1 over 6 hours plus 2 1 over 3 hours. Okay, so you do the calculation and you will have 3 over 6, and this one you can simplify, dapat dipermudahkan menjadi 3 1 over 2 hours. Okay, next one, Ibn Khaldun, you do the calculation. 1 2 over 3 hours plus 2 4 over 5 hours, and then here you can see here is this is improper fraction. So improper fraction, I change it into the mixed number. So after that you will have your answer for 7 over 15 hours. So this is Ibn Sina, this is Ibn Khaldun's. So done? Not yet. We have to answer the question. The question asks which team won? Kumpulan mana yang menang? So the winner is Ibn Sina. Ibn Sina won the treasure hunt competition. Why? Why Ibn Sina? Because Ibn Sina completed the challenge quicker than Ibn Khaldun. Lebih cepat menyelesaikan cabaran berbanding dengan Ibn Khaldun. Jadi Ibn Sina ialah yang memenangi pertandingan itu. Okay. So next one, question number 2. So the question, how much money does she spend every day? Okay, we have to understand the situation here. Her father gave her 6 ringgit every day. So she spent 2/3 of the money. So 2/3 times by 6 ringgit. So 4 ringgit. Okay. So 4 ringgit. So she spent 4 ringgit every day. You can do like this, simplify, or you can do the usual calculation. 2 times 6 divided by 3 also can, as long as you get the answer 4 ringgit. Alright, so this is the answer for 2A. Then 2B, does her saving exceed 8 ringgit after 5 days? Alright, so she spent 4 ringgit every day. Dia belanjakan 4 ringgit. Baki dia simpan. So baki yang disimpan setiap hari adalah 2 ringgit. So 2 ringgit, she save it for 5 days. Monday 2 ringgit, Tuesday 2 ringgit, Wednesday 2 ringgit, Thursday 2 ringgit, Friday 2 ringgit. So the total money saved by Pauline is 8 ringgit. So 8 ringgit already exceed the 10 ringgit. The total is 10 ringgit. So 10 ringgit is already exceed 8 ringgit stated in the question. Or you can use the simple way, 2 ringgit times by 5. So we'll have 10 ringgit. So does her saving exceed 8 ringgit after 5 days? Yes, Pauline's saving after 5 days exceed 8 ringgit, which is 10 ringgit. Alright, so that is the question. That is the answer. Okay, number 3A. Alright, the question is simple. Total up the distance they both travel in a day. But if you do not understand this question carefully, you will get the wrong answer. Okay, let's look the solution. Okay, total up the distance they both travel in a day. Okay, from their house to school. Okay, let's look at Gambit first. Gambit house to school. This is Gambit house. 0.7 km plus 2.3. So Gambit house to school is distance is 3.0 km. And then Gawing's house. Gawing house to school is 2.2 km plus 0.4 km plus 0.5 km equal to 3.1 km. Okay. If they go to school, are they going to stay at school? Adakah mereka akan tinggal saja di sekolah, tak balik-balik rumah? So kena hati-hati. Jadi soalan dia kata total up the distance they both travel in a day. Pada satu hari itu, berapa jarak perjalanan mereka. Jadi bila dah pergi sekolah pagi, mestilah balik daripada sekolah nak balik ke rumah. So daripada sekolah pula nak pergi ke rumah, school to Gambit house 3 km, 3.0 km. School to Gawing house 3.1 km. Okay, so total distance Gambit travel yang dilalui oleh Gambit 3 km pagi pergi ke sekolah plus 3 km balik dari sekolah ke rumah. So 6.0 km satu hari, a day, right? And then total distance going travel pula 3.1 km pagi nak pergi ke sekolah plus 3.1 km lepas balik dari sekolah nak pergi ke rumah. So the total distance is 6.2 km going travel a day. So the total distance they both travel is 6.0 km plus 6.2 km. The answer is 12.2 km. So the answer is total distance they both travel in a day is 12.2 km. So you have to understand the question carefully, right? How's your answer? Everything okay? If you have any mistake, watch again the explanation, do your correction, okay? So that you can master the this topic or the problem solving, right? Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Thank you.